Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NNDM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough to start the week here, as the price just, that opening 30 minutes really just shoved the price down, and things just kind of slowly bled the rest of the day, but certainly updates need to be done. First big update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So moving forward now, $7.70, the newest area of resistance, but really it's not even the most relevant level because today's price movement was so far in the downward direction. Before you even really focus on 770, the first key level now that really stands out right here at $7.40. So in the very near term, if there is any sort of attempted bottoming out and then, movement back to the upside, it's really about 740 and whether or not the price can break up and close above there. Now, don't get me wrong. Even if the price does that, that doesn't guarantee that the price is going to, skyrocket back up to $8 or anything. But my point here is really before you get too bullish or think that there's any sort of, genuine return of strength, let's just first see if the price can even break above and staying above 740. Even after that point, there's still more work that will need to be done. But at that point, at least it makes a little bit more rational and logical sense to be questioning whether or not the bulls are back after that area. So keep an eye on 740, like I said, if there is any sort of movement through there. And then, as I've talked about in the past, and we'll continue to talk about because it's still completely relevant, but from the overarching standpoint, all about that purple line there, the 50-period moving average from the resistance side of things. But like I said, first got to get up through 740, and then that 50-period will mean a little bit more. As far as levels of support are concerned, as you're seeing here, having to squeeze down the chart a whole lot as it's been a very long time since the price has been down around this area of the chart. So next key level of support now to keep an eye on, going to be right down there around the $7 mark. So $7 next key overarching level of support. But yeah, no doubt about it, rough way to start the week, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.